Every day you use multiple communication channels to talk to your clients. Why not unify all of them? Bitrix24 CRM does just that. In just a few minutes, you can connect your phone, email, social networks, messengers, and install live chat widget on your website. Our CRM will do the rest. Do your clients call your business frequently? They'll be automatically connected to the assigned manager. The call will be recorded and rated by client. Our CRM will schedule follow-up as well. Are you relying mostly on email? All emails, yours and clients, as well as replies, are automatically attached to appropriate CRM records. What about instant messages? Your managers will receive those inside Bitrix24 Chat, and their replies will be sent back to the messenger they were sent from. Yes, those conversations are stored inside CRM too. You can master Bitrix24 CRM in minutes. It will literally tell your employees what to do next, what's planned for today, what's overdue, and which opportunities don't have any activities planned. Simply clear all counters by the end of the day and go home. Bitrix24 CRM can build new and recurring sales reports, tell you the number of new clients, show communication load, or manage your workload. Your sales process is now fully transparent. Connect multiple communication channels, beat the counters, and close more deals. Bitrix24 CRM will guide you through every step of the way. Bitrix24, your company. United, free, unlimited, online.